6 lines and 85 stations.
More than 10.
Around 50.
8.
6 lines, 85 stations.
6 lines, 84 stations.
I think about 10 lines and 60 stations.
Today we had the Airbus Foundation program, and it helped us in many ways. One of them is knowing more about the robotics and the programs, and maybe we can seriously take it as our major in university. And they opened our eyes on so many things, so many interesting things in robotics that I've never knew about. So thank you so much, Airbus Foundation.
Today, Airbus Foundation came to us and they let us live this wonderful experience. They also taught us to do robots so we can play them in the map, like how the witches work. Each robot with its color. So me and my fellow teammates, we did that robot. We named it as Alex. He was our helper for instructing in the map.
Today, by the help of Airbus Foundation and Little Engineers Foundation, they came to our school to help us teach about coding. As someone who's going to civil engineering, this is very important for us. And as you can see, we built this project today, and we did everything from construction to programming and all. And lastly, I want to thank the Airbus Foundation and the miss who helped us through it. Thank you very much.
Today we have been gifted the wonderful opportunity to build robots, to really understand how the metro system works. So today, me and my fellow teammates were able to assemble a robot and was able to drive the robot on the map given to us. Thank you, Airbus Foundation, for the opportunity. I really appreciate it.
Bravo!